Good morning! Have a wonderful and fruitful day. Let us thank the Lord for He is good and His love endures forever. Let me share to you today the words of wisdom. This is a divine wisdom from the book of Proverbs, because I believe with all my heart that the Proverbs a day keeps the fools away. So my friend, listen and learn this powerful principle for life. It says in Proverbs chapter 13 verse 2 or 3, guard your mouth and you will guard your life. But if you will not control your tongue, it will ruin everything. So my friend, learn the value of guarding your words. Because words can create or destroy, according to the principle of the Word of God. So, watch your words. Why? Because it becomes your actions. There is powerful manifestation. So, remember this. Words are created or meant not just to communicate, but to create. So remember, we are created in the image of God. So use your words to create, to build up and edify, not to tear down or destroy others or everything. So my friend, just a reminder, and I will declare to you, Shalom, Shalom, peace and grace to you and multiply to everyone. God bless you more.